Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your own watermark to your picture on the Lightroom application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on Library and select the picture. Tap on the Share button at the top of the screen next to the cloud icon. Tap on Export As down below. After that, click on Include Watermark and tap on Customize down below. Here you can use a graphic as your watermark. So you should type in your watermark text into this box. And then you should position it within the screen. You can select the font by tapping on the T button. You have a bunch of options here. You just simply tap on it. Then you can make it bold, italicize it. You can select the color of it, as you can see in the right side corner down below. If you tap on this black box, you can change its color. You can set it to white or black. You can use drop shadow function. You can adjust its size, its opacity, as well as the horizontal offset, and the vertical offset can be selected too by the help of the slide. You can also include graphic by tapping on the graphic section at the top. You can choose a file from this if you tap on this image button, and then you can also select its size, opacity, horizontal and vertical offset. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.